What is up, beautiful people? It's gonna be a quick video about my hair, about my dreadlocks, my freeform locks. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. So I've been growing my hair for a good 3.5 years. I've had my dreadlocks for about 3 years and some couple weeks or something like that so far. If I had to guess about how long they are, I would say close to a foot, if not a foot already. My longest lock is probably this one here. And that mug goes, yeah, that's at least a foot right there. The reason I started growing my hair actually, because aside from just wanting to be different, do things, I was inspired by J. Cole and John Smith and Guns Really Great. Rest in peace to his legendary locks in the YouTube game. And also Not Locks. I was very inspired by all those people. Initially, it was the biggest two. It was J. Cole and Jaden Smith. I love their hair and it just made me want to do mine. So I said, F it, I'm gonna go for it, and this is where we are today. But let me tell you a little bit more about the maintenance and why I chose to go with Freeform. So the reason I chose Freeform is because for the people that know me, they know that I usually don't really do everything everybody else is doing. I'm low key. I'm a low key grinder. It's kind of like Lil Wayne says, real G's move in silence like lasagna. I'm that kind of person. So essentially, basically what I do is I just do my own thing and I just stay in my own lane and I let my actions speak for themselves. So what better way to let your actions speak for yourself and be an extension of yourself than your hair? And so with that being concluded, I just said, you know, I'm just gonna go for it, see what happens, and hopefully it turns out well. You can say things went pretty good because I actually started a whole clothing brand using my head as the logo. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. My mirror is like foggy, I just took a shower or whatever. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and flip the camera around right now. We're in Lacuna Collective. This is me, if you couldn't tell. Inspiration behind that, me using my hair was because I'm trying to use this to grow my personal brand. But I also decided to go ahead and use this extension of myself because I stick out. And what better way to use your hair and things like that to your advantage? So I decided to go ahead and do that, and this is where we are. So let's get back to me. Now I just showed you guys the brand, but I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my aspiration before I give you a quick, tour or whatever. In terms of how long I want to grow it, I have no idea, no absolute clue. Ideally, I want to do it till I grow to a certain level. In terms of like my personal branding and myself as a person, once I get to a certain level, I'll feel like so before I was so rudely interrupted by falling on some soap and some stuff, I was telling you guys about my hair aspirations. I have no clue how far I want to go. As I was just saying, I want to get to a certain status, I guess, in my personal brand or myself as a person, and make that decision. Maybe, just go with it and just see what happens. But I'm really inspired by Luke. Luke's spot. Every time I see his hair and I consider cutting mine, I'm just sitting there like, dude, keep growing it, test out different things, There's a couple different things I want to try, but I haven't tried yet, and I'm definitely going to eventually, but that's when the time comes. But yeah, pretty much just wraps up this video real quick, and I will definitely be shooting more videos and bringing you guys content as much as possible. My goal is to do at least 3 videos a week. Motivation, fitness, lifestyle, all that, all encompassing. So check me out. Go ahead and please subscribe, like, and comment. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Any support you give is greatly, greatly appreciated. Please comment and share with your friends. Share this video with 3 people right now. 3 people can say grow their locks. Let me go ahead and give you guys a quick run around my locks. Yeah! Alright, like I said again, I love you guys. I'll catch you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Freaking love you guys. You're beautiful.
But you let me see her, you won't let me be.
it.